In the woodlands nearby, a leopard named Sunatla keeps half an eye on the plains below. Sunatla recently became a new landlord in this neighborhood. He arrived here looking to start a family of his own. He's come to the right place. These woodlands are full of female leopards with the same ambition. But Sunatla might get more than he's bargained for. He's by nature a solitary cat that must now spend the next few days in her company. This could get old quickly. She'll want to mate repeatedly every hour, with no guarantee she'll become pregnant. Although female leopards are persistent partners, they're slow to conceive.